Hi guys, it's the 19th of December, it's 2:05 in the afternoon and it is raining. It's raining quite heavily. It's Max. Yeah, not nice weather. No snow, just rain. So yeah, I'm fine. I'm happy singing along to karaoke songs and I'm fine. Wet day here in Rochester. What are black diamonds? Black diamonds. Do you know, I've never seen a real diamond, let alone a black one. Come around here slowly. This guy's working in this building. There's the train, the bullet train going over that way. There's workmen building flats. Come, Max, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Just alerting me. Mind your own business, Max. Stop it. Wait till sorry, the person's about is like a long way away, so I don't know what he's going on about for. I've been out about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See the rain coming down on that little bit of pond over there, whatever it is. Coat was still wet from this morning's walk. There you go. Mum. Hello, Mum.
Hello, Jess. Isn't it a wet day today?
Yeah, I know it is.
I've been asleep mainly this morning.
Well, lucky you. Some people can't sleep. At least you've had a sleep.
Yeah, I know. That's true, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I'd give you the usual afternoon daytime call, alright?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And see you on Thursday, yes?
Well, hopefully, if things are still the same, yes.
Okay, that'd be good to see you.
Yes, Mum.
Okay. I won't bore you. I'm sorry to have rung you, but I just have to give you the usual afternoon daytime call that I usually try to give you, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. You're not boring me.
Okay. Well, how's Max?
Max is fine.
And Nikki?
Yeah, Nikki is fine. Yeah, the pets are they're fine.
The kitten's okay, is he? Yeah?
Yeah, he's fine.
That's good, that's good. As long as you're alright, that's the main thing.
Oh, yeah.
Right, I won't keep you on the phone too. I'll just have to give you the usual daytime afternoon call, alright?
Okay, Mum.
Okay, I'll give you another ring later on. Is that alright?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay then. Nice to have spoken to you. Bye.
Bye, Mum. That was my mum ringing. My mum. I've got to remember that I've got sons and a daughter. And that was my mum ringing me. So it's really quite horrible weather. She called me Ginestra, but that's good because my YouTube channel is Ginestra's Karaoke and Chat. It's not Jennifer, is it? I'm not changing my channel back. My birth name is Ginestra. And Ginestra, as I keep saying, is a made-up name that my mother gave me. My mother Jennifer gave me the name Ginestra. And at school, I had to tell everybody it was a made-up name. Made up. It's not foreign. I come from Great Britain, so I assume the name is British. God, I'm glad I'm not in one of them. Oh, it's bad enough where I am. So that's where I used to go underneath to the library, underneath that tunnel. Road closed. They haven't progressed that much further than when I moved in, to be fair, and that was 3 years ago now. Moved into my flat on the 10th of August 2020. 2020! Lived here 3 years already. The thing is, like, nobody can copy Ginestra. They can copy Crystal. They can't copy Ginestra, you say. It was a unique name given to me. So, if they think that bullying tactic isn't going to work, I'm not changing it. This rain. Been out for about 20 minutes. So my mum rang to tell me that she's had a nice sleep. That's nice. Max and I are soaking wet. Soaking. He's soaking. see, if you're happy with yourself, what anybody else thinks or says doesn't matter. Fat, thin, ugly, pretty, just words. They're just words at the end of the day. And it's only done to stop me doing what I want to do, and I'm not letting it prevent me doing that anymore. I've stopped all contact with the internet bully, and I'm totally by myself now.